If you're looking for an affordable cordless vacuum, I found the perfect one. I got the black and pink. It's so pretty, but we're not worried about pretty over here. We need convenience and suction power. I love the extra attachment, and it also has 3 different settings. It shows you the battery power there. Obviously, I've been using it. And if you've never used a vacuum with headlights on it, you will be truly humbled at how much dirt you actually can see. It glides over any of my rugs with ease, and not to mention it's super light. The handheld feature is amazing. I have 3 dogs, and my couches are always covered with hair. So the fact that I can just pop this right off and vacuum my couches real quick is a huge plus. Look at how much it got up in just that little bit of time. You need one. It's linked below.